In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to copy any website to Framer. Our first task is to install the necessary extension to our Chrome browser. We'll begin by navigating to the Chrome Web Store and launching a search for an extension known as HTML to Framer. Once you locate this extension, go ahead and click on Add to Chrome to commence the installation process. But our work in the Chrome Web Store isn't done yet. We need to ensure the extension is readily accessible when browsing. To do this, pin the extension icon to your browser's toolbar. This maneuver will allow for easy retrieval of the extension when you need it. Next, we shift our attention to the website that we wish to copy elements from. Simply open the website in your Chrome browser. Now, let's use our freshly installed HTML to Framer extension. Click on its icon in your toolbar to activate it. Once activated, the extension will allow you to hover your mouse over the elements you wish to copy, and they will be highlighted. What if you want to copy multiple elements at once? Well, there's a way around it. All you need to do is hold down the Shift key as you click. And if by chance you want to select a parent element of the one you're hovering over, just hold down the ESC key. When you've selected the desired element or elements, hit the Copy button on the extension. You've successfully copied your elements, but they're of no use unless we paste them into your Framer project. So let's switch over to your Framer workspace. To paste the elements into your Framer project, select the location on your canvas where you want these elements to be. Once you've made your selection, apply the universally recognized command for pasting, which is pressing Command and V if you're on a Mac or Ctrl and V if you're using Windows. This command will paste the elements along with their styling into your project. Now, there's a chance that layers might be scrambled. If such is the case, the easiest solution would be to try pasting into a section where you don't have stacks enabled. And there you have it. Armed with your new knowledge, you're all set to efficiently copy any website to Framer. This concludes our tutorial for today, and until next time, happy designing.